There was this Devil's Conference annually wherein they honor top recruiters. The top 4 recruiter, ang gamit niya ay greed. Ako ang isa sa magaling mag-recruit. Ako ang dahilan kung bakit may corruption. Ako ang dahilan kung bakit marami ang gustong magkamkam ng mga resources. Ako ang magaling na recruiter. Palakpakan na yan. And then, sumunod naman yung top 3. Ano si top 3? Ang weapon niya ay lust. Ako ang dahilan kung bakit maraming nasisirang pamilya. Ako ang dahilan kung bakit ang pornography ay easily accessible na lang sa social media on your cellphone. Ako ang maraming na-recruit to bring away God's people. And then, palakpakan ulit. Hanggang sa, yung top 2 na lang, ang kanyang weapon ay pride. Ako ang dahilan kung bakit marami ang hindi nagkakasundo. Ako ang dahilan kung bakit marami ang hindi bumabalik sa Diyos. Palakpakan na naman. But, iisa na lang ang natira. And they were asking, anong weapon dito? Ang lalakas na ng weapon natin. Greed, lust, and pride. Kumbaga, asa atin na yung atomic bomb. Anong weapon ito? Pero itong recruiter na to, siya ang pinakamaraming nakila to bring away people away from God. At ano ang kanyang weapon? Self-rejection. Because self-rejection will open the gate of our hearts for lust, greed to enter. Who are parents here? I'd like to personally speak to you. We thought that when we love our children, that's really our role. But my dear friends, it has to transcend. It is not enough that we love our children. We have to see that our children will learn to love themselves. Because it will be difficult. We will always fail to love God and others if we do not love ourselves, if we reject ourselves. So what should we do? We allow God to love us, to love us, and to love us, and to love us until we cannot help but love Him back.